All right, so real quick before we take this down a cool little road, I've got my GoPro Hero 8 here with the, what is it called? The media mod. That allows me to plug in some audio and some power to it. And I've routed using these little plastic 3M adhesive thingamajigs. I've gone ahead and routed to my power source. And then I've got a microphone line cutting down my bike right back here to the little microphone right there. So I might make a modification and put the microphone over here so that way I capture some engine noise and the exhaust noise. But I'm thinking that'll work pretty good. Hope you guys enjoy the video and let me know what you think of the view and the sound. All right, a quick addendum here. Because of the awesomeness of this road, I'm at the very end. I have decided to put the microphone dead center to catch a little bit more of the engine noise and the exhaust noise. We'll see if that one's better. Let's find out. All right, so what's up, friends? Just real quick, just wanted to say this GoPro 8 is amazing, but only because of this this media mod housing. Without it, I thought this camera was pretty rubbish. Had a very short battery life, awkward to use, and there was no way to capture audio in any shape or form other than the onboard audio. Now there's a built-in directional microphone or a shotgun microphone, as well as some input areas to put in like an 1/8 inch, lavalier mic or whatever microphone that you have that has an 1/8 inch jack on it. So truly awesome. I love the hyper smooth capabilities. And in this video, I would say that the biggest complaint I had is that you don't get a good sense of how bumpy it is. That road was a crazy intense roller coaster, and it was literally, I had that wheel off the front wheel off the ground multiple times, but in the video that you watched, you really don't get a sense of that, and you wouldn't, because of the smooth image stabilization that comes with it. So it makes for very cinematic footage, and I really like it. I really enjoy this camera now, and now that I can keep it powered all through the day on a ride and capture very smooth cinematic footage, I'm super excited. So thumbs up for the GoPro Hero 8 with the media mod. Anyways, any questions, let me know, and please let me know what you think of the visual footage and how I had it mounted to the camera, or to the bike rather, and let me know what you think of the audio, and maybe as it was compared between the two different locations, what your thoughts were. So anyways, hope all's well. Talk to you later.